bubble bath, gifts for the grandchildren. A half a cup of pure Castile liquid soap, 1/4 cup of vegetable glycerin, drops of essential oil lemon. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And usually when you tip it back up, you get 1 extra drop, so that makes 15. 5 drops of lavender essential oil. 3, 4, 5. And now we add water. I just turn the water on just a little bit. And I want to lift it up so I can see. So I'll do a little bit and check. I don't want to overflow it. So I'm watching it come up to the top. Put on the cap, and then we shake it up. Now I just need to make the label and put a label on it, and we have homemade, healthy, and safe bubble bath for the grandchildren. Now I just need to make the labels.